If there's one brand that consistently pushes innovation in professional tools, it's Festool. And for 2026, the company is once again raising the bar with smarter cordless performance, improved dust control, and more connected workflows. From precision cutting to surface finishing in job site lighting, this new lineup is built around efficiency, safety, and flexibility for modern professionals. Let's get into it. Starting with precision cutting on the go, the Festool TSC 55K cordless plunge saw combines power, portability, and accuracy in one compact design. Built for job site mobility, it delivers full performance on a single battery while a second battery charges, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. The brushless EC-TEC motor runs at 5,200 RPM, providing strong cutting performance across a wide range of panel materials. At the same time, thin 1.6mm saw blades improve efficiency and help extend battery runtime. For safety, the integrated kickback stop reduces the risk of sudden kickback during plunge cuts. Miter adjustments from -1 degrees to 47 degrees allow precise, repeatable angled cuts, while the fast fix system makes blade changes quick and effortless. A transparent viewing window improves cut visibility, and when paired with guide rails and accessories, this becomes a complete precision cutting system. Of course, powerful tools are even better with smarter workspace organization. That's where the Festool CTSA FLW boom arm comes in. Designed to improve flexibility and efficiency, this wall-mounted boom arm delivers both power and dust extraction exactly where you need it, eliminating the constant need to reposition hoses and cables. It features 3 modular chain links, allowing reach extensions of 10, 20, or 30 centimeters, depending on your workspace layout. This gives you greater freedom when working around large assemblies. Lifting hoses and cables off the floor, it reduces clutter and significantly lowers tripping hazards, creating a safer, more organized environment. And thanks to its modular construction, it's easy to adjust, replace, or expand over time, making it a long-term solution for evolving workshops. The Festool Cordless Planer HLC82 is designed for fast, precise adjustment work both on-site and in the workshop. Whether you're chamfering beams, trimming doors, or adjusting panels, it delivers consistent performance on the 18-volt platform. It supports up to 2.5mm chip removal and a 25mm rebate depth, making it suitable for both fine finishing and more aggressive material removal. The spiral blade system ensures smoother surfaces while reducing noise. 3 integrated V-grooves enable precise chamfering, and dual extraction channels efficiently handle larger chip loads. With ergonomic handling, adjustable depth control, and a quick-acting brake that stops the blade in under 2 seconds, it balances performance with safety and ease of use. Staying in the finishing category, the Festool ETSC 125 cordless random orbit sander takes cordless sanding freedom to the next level. Its low-profile ergonomic design makes both overhead and flat sanding more comfortable. A standout feature is the integrated LED light ring, which highlights surface imperfections in real time, helping reduce rework. The random orbit motion delivers a smooth, professional finish across wood, drywall, and plaster surfaces. Variable speed control allows precise material removal, while the included dust bag helps maintain a cleaner workspace. Fully integrated into Festool's 18V system and compatible with the Festool app, it ensures consistent results across projects. Shifting into heavy-duty cutting, the Festool RSC-18 cordless reciprocating saw delivers power and control for demolition and rough cutting tasks. Driven by a brushless EC-TEC motor and a switchable pendulum stroke, it cuts quickly through tough materials while maintaining low vibration for better control. The optimized internal mechanism directs more power into the blade rather than the housing, improving efficiency and reducing fatigue. A quick release chuck allows fast, tool-free blade changes, and the integrated LED light improves visibility in darker work areas. For added versatility, the blade can be inserted upside down for flush cuts against walls or ceilings. Everything stores neatly in a sustainer for easy transport and organization. Continuing with dust management, the Festool D50 SVAS suction control valve simplifies multi-tool workflows while maintaining consistent extraction performance. Instead of constantly switching hoses, this accessory allows two hoses to connect to a single extractor. With a simple rotary control, you can instantly redirect suction to the active tool, saving time during fast-paced work. Its anti-static design ensures smooth dust flow while reducing static buildup, and full system compatibility makes it ideal for both cordless and corded setups. It may be compact, but it plays a big role in improving workflow efficiency and keeping your workspace clean. For detailed work, the Festool DTSC 200 cordless Delta sander delivers precision in tight spaces. Designed for corners, profiles, and intricate sanding tasks, it combines mobility with accuracy. The integrated LED light ring highlights imperfections as you work, and through app connectivity, brightness and duration can be customized. The EC-TEC motor runs quietly while delivering consistent performance, and the carbide-tipped standing pad brake prevents unwanted marks when placing the tool down. With added vibration protection, it enhances both comfort and finish quality. Next, the Festool HKC55KB cordless circular saw offers versatility for framing and cross-cutting applications. Ideal for roofing and construction work, it supports fast cross-cuts with the FSK guide rail and precise cuts with the FS rail system. The EC-TEC motor again delivers 5,200 RPM, while the kickback stop and guide wedge enhance safety. Angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 50 degrees allow accurate miters, and the spring-assisted plunge mechanism ensures smoother operation. Combined with thin blades and cordless mobility, it's a reliable all-around cutting solution. Lighting is just as critical as cutting and sanding, and the Festool KBSC construction light delivers exactly that. This compact cordless light produces up to 5,000 lumens with a daylight-balanced 5,000 K color temperature. Brightness is infinitely dimmable, allowing you to match lighting to your workspace needs. Integrated magnets enable quick mounting on metal surfaces, while the swiveling head directs light precisely where needed. With an IP54-rated housing, it resists dust, splashes, and impacts, making it ideal for tough job site conditions. For joinery, Festool introduces two new Domino joiners, the Cordless DFC500 and its corded counterpart. The Domino system retains its signature oval dowel design, combining the precision of round dowels with the flexibility of loose tenons. The cordless DFC500 runs on the 18-volt platform and can drill up to 270 holes per charge with a 4.0 amp-hour battery. An ergonomic spade handle improves comfort, while the redesigned table with lockable pin pairs simplifies alignment, reducing the need for repeated measuring and marking. From small drawers to large furniture assemblies, the Domino system remains one of the most versatile joinery solutions available, supported by accessories like the trim stop, cross stop, and more. So, that wraps up a complete look at the new Festool tools for 2026. This lineup clearly focuses on smarter cordless systems, improved safety, and seamless workflow integration across tools and accessories. Which of these tools stands out to you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth tool reviews and updates.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.